So, this is what I received when I ordered the Gbox silicone squonk bottle, 8 milliliter from Geek Vape, from HeavensGifts. If you look at that picture right there, there's 3 ridges, and that is described as a food-grade silicone with soft hand feel. This does not have ridges. This is not silicone. It's plastic. If you squeeze it, it's plastic. This does not have the same feel at all as silicone. This is in fact the exact same bottle that you received, that I received in my original Gbox kit. You received a couple of those, and if you'll look, these are going to scratch and look gnarly after a while, and that's only after a couple weeks of use. I've got old ones from Council and Vape that look like that. But anyways, this, excuse the cat hair, is a silicone bottle. It is soft and squishy and bendable. You can do all these fun things. You cannot good luck doing that with that's not going to happen. Also, the serial number that I checked here, and I have not scratched off the other just in case they want to return this, is G0011530629. I tried to check that on geekvape.com, and it failed. It said it could not find it. So, that's my little update. There you go.